Delhi High Court has heard a case related to the incident of death of 3 IS aspirants in the month of July in Old Rajendra Nagar area of the national capital that happened on 27th of July. Advocate Rudra Vikram Singh, representing the petitioner trust Kutumb, argues that the Rajendra Nagar incident is not new and in fact draws parallels to previous incidents such as the Mukherjee Nagar incident and the Vivek Vihar fire tragedy, where commonly the rules for the safety protocols are being flouted by the institutions and the private bodies. Now, Singh also highlighted that a previous High Court ordered that directed the closure of illegal coaching centers in response to the Mukherjee Nagar incident. Meanwhile, let's listen into a reaction coming from a lawyer at the Delhi High Court.
And they have called Commissioner of MCD, the IO as well as the DCP concerned, because the DCP has made a statement that he has made some STF to investigate this matter. So, and the Honorable Court has also said that what action has been taken against those MCD officers, has they been prosecuted, has they been made accused in this case. So all the respondent will come on Friday with all the preparation, all their what they want to say in this matter.
सर, हाईकोर्ट को यहाँ तक कहना पड़ गया कि इट्स अ कंप्लीट सिस्टमैटिक फेलियर इन द सिटी एंड नॉट ओनली दिस, उन्होंने ये तक कहा कि दिल्ली पुलिस जो है वो जाकर पासरबाइज को अरेस्ट कर रही है, जो नॉर्मल लोग हैं वहाँ उस रोड पे चल रहे थे उन्हें अरेस्ट कर रही है, लेकिन जो एमसीडी ऑफिशियल्स है जिनकी एक्चुअली जो सिविक अथॉरिटीज़ हैं वो उनको अरेस्ट नहीं कर रही है। और क्या क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन है?
बिल्कुल, देखिए, जो कोरम पूर्ति दिल्ली पुलिस द्वारा किया जा रहा था कि किसी भी आपने अरेस्ट कर लिया कि कोई गाड़ी लेके जा रहा था, आपने उसको अरेस्ट कर लिया कि उसकी वजह से वो गेट टूट गया और लोग मर गए, आप उस एमसीडी ऑफिसर को नहीं प्रोसिक्यूट कर पा रहे हैं कि किसने ये मैप अप्रूव किया, किसने, अगर जो इन्वेस्टिगेट करता है उसने इन्वेस्टिगेट किया कि नहीं। एक मैंने अपनी पिटीशन में एक और जिक्र किया था, 26/6 की जो कंप्लेंट थी एक स्टूडेंट द्वारा, उसको किस ऑफिसर ने इन्वेस्टिगेट किया या नहीं किया। तो इन सारी बातों पर हाई कोर्ट ने संज्ञान लिया है और हाई कोर्ट ने इनसे जवाब मांगा है। फ्राइडे तक इन सारे लोगों को जवाब देना है।
सर, हाई कोर्ट ने क्या ये भी कहा है कि अगर ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फिक्स नहीं होती है तो मैटर लोकपाल या सीबीआई या सीवीसी को
they have asked that they have asked to the petitioners that to whom you want to give this inquiry. So we'll have to give them that, like CVC or the Lokpal has to investigate the matter. So we'll prepare to whom that inquiry can be done. So on Friday we'll suggest the court that to whom the inquiry can be.
And all the respondent has to file concerned affidavit.
The DCP concerned, IO concerned, and MCD has to file.
सर,
and the fire service.
एक बड़ा सवाल ये है कि जो एमसीडी काउंसलर है आम आदमी पार्टी की, जो एरिया की इंचार्ज है, वो बहुत दिनों से मिसिंग है, उस पर क्या कोर्ट का कुछ कहना था या उस फैक्ट?
देखिए, सीधे ऑनरेबल कोर्ट ने कुछ नहीं कहा, लेकिन इनडायरेक्टली ऑनरेबल कोर्ट ने बहुत सारी बातें कही कि जो फ्रीबीज कल्चर आप लेके आए हैं और आपके पास फंड नहीं है, आपका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो है 100 साल पुराना है, आप जो आबादी जो दिल्ली का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हुआ था वो 6-7 लाख लोगों के लिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर यहाँ का बनाया गया था, लेकिन आज लगभग 3 करोड़ से ऊपर आबादी हो चुकी है, लेकिन आपका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो है वो 100 साल पुराना है। तो और आपके पास फंड नहीं है, आप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल नहीं लेना चाह रहे हैं, आप पानी का बिल लेना नहीं चाह रहे हैं लोगों से, लेकिन उसके बदले में लोग।
Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Ayush at the moment. Ayush, a big statement also is viewed coming from the judge as well in the High Court, who was listening to the petition at the moment, which is concerning the death of 3 students who died due to the negligence of the authorities and the coaching institute. Now, the lawyer has also spoken to the media and addressed these concerns that have been highlighted by the court judge. What is exactly now the further course of action as far as legally the proceedings are to be concerned?
Well, yes, Simran, in a scattering observation, the Delhi High Court today lambasted the MCD for its financial mismanagement and poor infrastructure, pointing out the paradox of a state providing freebies while failing to allocate funds for essential services. The court's remarks came during the hearing of a petition concerning the recent death of IAS coaching aspirants due to poor infrastructure and lack of basic amenities in the city. The bench presided over by the Justice Subramaniam Prasad criticized the Delhi government for perpetuating a culture of freebies at the expense of necessary civic infrastructure such as drainage systems. The court expressed its dismay at the deplorable state of the city's infrastructure, particularly the lack of proper drainage, which exacerbates the risk of health hazards and accidents. See, there are some very major points which the court today said during the hearing. The first one is the Delhi High Court criticized the NCD for poor financial management and infrastructure. Second is that the court highlighted the paradox of the city's Delhi government culture for providing freebies while failing to fund essential services. Third is that the infrastructure issues. The court highlighted this point and said that there are several lack of proper drainage systems in the city. Fourth is that the IAS coaching deaths. The remark came during a hearing about the deaths of IAS coaching aspirants attributed to poor infrastructure and lack of basic amenities. And we must not forget about the last incident in the Karol Bagh area, where an IAS aspirant died allegedly due to electric shock which was in the water on the street. Fifth and the most major point is that the inadequate drainage system were noted as exacerbating health risks and accidents in the city, since this is not the first death which was caused in Delhi due to such incidences. Sixth point is the judicial concern. The judge who was presided over this case voicing concerns about the state's budget priorities, as I already stated, about the freebies which are going on in the city. The lawyer also stated that the judge indirectly said that the concerned authorities are not collecting water bills, they are not collecting electric bills, but still people have their right to get the basic amenities which they deserve as per the constitution. And the seventh point is that about the sustainable development. The court emphasized the need for sustainable urban development and proper allocation of funds for essential services. The acting Chief Justice Manmohan stated that Delhi was planned only for 6 to 7 lakh people, but however, as of now, there are more than 3.3 crore people residing in this city. 8 point is of the government accountability. The Delhi government was urged to reassess its budget priorities and ensure...
All right.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.